Hi everyone, I'm Christopher and you are watching Christopher Car Brochures. Today we will have a look at the 2011 Alfa Romeo Giulietta brochure. Alfa Romeo Giulietta was the last hatchback that Alfa Romeo produced. It went on production on 2010 and left the production for European market in 2020 and for the other markets in 2022. Before I start, I would like to show you the miniature that I have with Alfa Romeo Giulietta. It's a Burago. It's a 143 scale. It's in a mid condition. I had it since I was 9 years old, 10, I don't remember. Before 6 years. Even though it's a 15-year-old car, its style looks amazing until today. This is the first page. This is the red color. I think this is the best color that the pre-facelift Giulietta had. That's the pre-facelift interior. This looked a lot like Peugeot or Audi. If you know, you know. Blue and me logo. It's like the BMW individual or the R-Link of Renault. That's the interior. It received 5 stars in the Euro NCAP crash test, if you don't know what Euro NCAP is. That's the compact platform. That's the DNA. D is dynamic, N is natural, and A is all weather. Yes, all weather. It says it also there, all weather. If you change the DNA to dynamic or natural or all weather, you will get any information in the radio nav system. That's the navigation system of Alfa Romeo. There's a compass, the turbo bar, and the torque, I think, yes. And this is the G. The automatic gearbox and the paddle shifters. Alfa Romeo Giulietta was available with petrol and diesel engines. It started from 1.4 liters and it could go up to 2000 liters. And the horsepower was very good. It started from 105 HP when other hatchback models started from 17, 18, 19, for example, the Opel Vauxhall Astra. And it could go until 235 horsepower. Yes, that's the engine of Quattro. There are the 5 stars. By the way, a lot of people asking why in the facelift version did the Giulietta receive 3 and not 5 stars. I'll tell you right now. Because this car was a bit old and couldn't receive another technical updates, they couldn't put automatic braking system, keep lane assist and others, so it was actually 5 stars, but it lost 2 because of the new missions. That's the entry level edition, the progression. Nothing that special. I mean, you got a radio, an air condition, not dual zone, a steering wheel without buttons. It doesn't look nice without buttons, to be honest with you. That's the Veloce edition, the sporty. By the way, these buttons are from the Alfa Romeo 159. Distinctive, that's the version that I have in my Alfa Romeo 159. Very good. And there is the Quadrifoglio Verde, which in my opinion, okay, could receive more horsepower. It could go to 300 horsepower. Yeah, nothing special. It was a very fast car, even though it didn't have that much horsepower. These are the wheels. That's my favorite, Otto's Competizione wheels. If you don't know, Otto's means 80C, a famous model from Alfa Romeo. Alfa Romeo made the Giulietta available also with start-stop system. Every engine had a start-stop system except the 1.75, sorry. Yes. The handbags. It was a great car, and yeah, I think it could receive another generation. These are the colors. I think the Profondo is the color that this scale model has. There you can see which color can receive the interior colors. For example, this could be available on all of these colors, for example. Dimensions. This car ended, as I said, in 2020, and the successor of it was the Alfa Romeo Tonale. You have seen it in a previous video. But sadly it was an SUV, not a hatchback. I think that's the oldest brochure with a QR code that I have. If we see in another video, if an older brochure has a QR code, then, but I think that's the oldest that I have with a QR code. Anyway, that was the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you can like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.